Is your game freezing or crashing right when you are about to reach a checkpoint? Do not let a software glitch or a dusty console ruin your progress. I am going to show you how to stabilize your system and stop those crashes for good. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, we are breaking down 10 advanced solutions to fix any PS4 game that keeps freezing or crashing. Games usually crash because of corrupted save files, an overheating processor, or a cluttered system database that cannot read data fast enough. Most of these issues can be solved without sending your console to a repair shop. Step 1. Perform a full power cycle. Turn off your PS4 completely and unplug the power cord from the wall for at least 3 minutes. This clears the system memory and resets the internal hardware controllers. Step 2. Check for game updates. Hover over the game icon, press the Options button, and select Check for Update. Developers frequently release patches to fix specific stability issues and memory leaks. Step 3. Rebuild your database. Power down your console until the lights go out. Hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. Select the option to rebuild database to reorganize your files and fix data errors. Step 4. Clean your console air vents. If your PS4 fan sounds like a jet engine, it is likely overheating and throttling your performance. Use a can of compressed air to blow dust out of the side and rear vents. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If only one specific game is crashing, delete it from your storage and download it again from the PlayStation Store. This ensures you have a fresh copy without any corrupted installation files. Step 6. Restore your licenses. Go to your settings, select account management, and hit Restore Licenses. This fixes any digital rights issues that might be causing the game to hang during a server check. Step 7. Initialize the PS4 in safe mode. If crashes happen in every game, go back into safe mode and select Initialize PS4. This is a factory reset, so make sure to back up your saves to the cloud first. Step 8. Check your hard drive health. If you hear a clicking sound, your internal drive might be failing. Try replacing the stock drive with a cheap SATA SSD to drastically improve loading speeds and system stability. Step 9. Change your network settings. A bad connection to the game servers can cause the entire console to freeze. Manually set your DNS to 8.8.8.8 to ensure a more stable handshake with the network. Step 10. Update your system software. Go to your settings and ensure you are running the latest version of the PS4 firmware. Sometimes the console needs a system-level patch to handle newer game releases correctly. Here is a bonus pro tip. Avoid using rest mode if your games are frequently crashing. A fresh boot ensures the system memory is totally clean, which prevents the tiny errors that build up over long periods of sleep mode. If you face any difficulty or you are seeing a specific error code like CE-34878-0, please comment below. I am watching the comments and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If this video helped you get back to your game, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel TechVibes. Your console is running smooth, and I will see you in the next one.